Meet Jake, a young man hailing from a quaint town in the heart of America, filled with ambitions that far transcended the modest surroundings of his upbringing. His dreams were painted vividly against the backdrop of every struggle his family endured. Living paycheck to paycheck, fueled by unyielding determination, he envisioned a future where success wasn't just a possibility but an inevitable reality. Growing up, the specter of financial hardship cast a long shadow over Jake's childhood, but it also ignited a fierce resolve within him. He often daydreamed about the lavish lifestyles reflected in the lives of icons like Warren Buffett, Jeff Bezos, and Elon Musk. These dreams were more than just aspirations. They became his motivation to carve out his unique narrative of triumph. At the tender age of 20, Jake embarked on his journey by taking on a job at a local store. Each dollar earned was meticulously saved, stitching together his initial investment strategy, inspired by the entrepreneurial adventures of figures like Mark Cuban. He took a leap of faith and invested in a small startup. However, the harsh reality of financial markets struck, a setback that would have deterred many. Jake's resolve only deepened. After facing this obstacle, clinging to the wisdom of Oprah Winfrey, who once remarked that failure is a stepping stone to greatness, he dove headfirst into learning. He studied budgeting, stocks, and the essence of a growth mindset, absorbing as much knowledge as he could about finance. This relentless pursuit led him to a mentor, a retired CEO who illuminated the path to wise investments and the power of resilience. The breakthrough came when Jake invested in tech stocks, which blossomed under his careful attention, leading to his first significant success. As he flourished, he recognized the importance of continual learning. Committed to investing in himself, he enrolled in online courses that sharpened his skills in finance and business management. Eventually, Jake launched his own e-commerce venture, navigating the unpredictable waters of entrepreneurship. Despite fierce competition, his tenacity shone through, proving that hard work truly pays off. With a growing business, he expanded his team, setting ambitious long-term goals. Networking with industry leaders, Jake extracted invaluable wisdom and formed collaborations that accelerated his journey. By the age of 30, Jake not only attained financial milestones that secured his future, but he also committed to giving back, donating to local schools. He shared his journey, inspiring young entrepreneurs to embrace resilience amidst setbacks. His story is a profound reminder that success is not just measured in wealth, but in the tenacity to persist, learn, and seize every opportunity. From humble beginnings to a life of financial freedom, Jake's tale is an embodiment of determination in the land of opportunity. What's one bold step you'd take today if fear and failure weren't holding you back? Share your dream in the comments. I'd love to hear what you're aiming for.